Hello everyone! Today, I got something really helpful, especially for students, professors, and research enthusiasts. So, where can we find information without the hassle? Let's dive right into it. We've got GPT known as ResearchGPT Official, which allows you to do some serious research in minutes. It's your research assistant that helps you discover the most recent and relevant papers from a whopping 282 million articles. Let's give it a try. I give in a prompt. I want articles on dark matter and energy theories. Let's see what it gives us. It is now in action, and you can see a neat table with paper links and even their sizes. It's giving us a clear overview of what's available on this topic. It's fantastic. It's given us 5 links to different research papers and also guided us on where to explore more about dark matter and energy. You can simply click on the links. How cool is that? I'll demonstrate in Syspace. Let's see where it takes us. Literally, it has taken us to a Syspace where all kinds of research articles about science are available. This is quite amazing. Now let's get back to our starting point and click on another link at the top. I'll choose Dark Matter Final Project Research Paper and see where it leads us. And there you go. A whole research article is right in front of us. That's absolutely cool. You can trust using this tool to make your study life easier and more amazing. Before we wrap up, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future recommendations. Thank you.